as you grow and advance, you'll find that it doesn't matter how high or big you are, you must learn to stay. I don't care how holy you are. I don't care how strong you are. I don't care how gifted you are. But consistency is a sign of greatness in leadership. May the Lord help our pastors. May the Lord help our church today. We have good singers, but we have good instrumentalists, but we have good technicians, but we have good chairladies, but when you see somebody, we have good assistant pastors, but sojourners.
Wao ni wasafiri.
Bishop Ben, sit down, I tell you a story.
Askofu Ben, keti nikwambie kitu.
One day, and my wife knows this story.
Siku moja,
one day,
anajua. Siku moja,
I went to preach for my brother, my friend.
Nikaenda kuhubiri kwa rafiki yangu, ndugu yangu,
in his church,
katika kanisa yake.
And when I was alighting,
na nilipokuwa nikishuka,
the man who ushered me,
yule jamaa ambaye alinipokea,
was a usher in our church the previous Sunday.
Alikuwa shemazi kwa kanisa yetu ile Sunday iliyopita.
One of my ushers, I found him ushering me in a church of a neighbor.
Kwa kanisa ya jirani.
Most of our leaders know the man.
Viongozi wengi wetu wanajua huyo mtu.
The man is a sojourner.
Huyo jamaa ni msafiri.